is an open house. We want to make sure that everybody knows who we are, what do we do, what kind of service. We can't just keep a service within ourselves. So we want to invite not only community members, our faculty, our staff, our students to know about us in what we do every day in this operation. That's a very important thing. That's what the open house is all about. So they can see us in a very different setting, not only official setting. It's more of a friendly, welcoming setting. That's the goal. We had Wheel of Fortunes. The Wheel of Fortunes is all about related to the services we provide for everybody. That's one. And they have kids corner for the kids to come and do coloring and painting. And the third one is we have refreshment opportunities for them to even sit down, relax. And then when they leave the building, they'll get a tote bag with a slogan as a way to thank everybody who come and guide us, support us, and help us to shape the most important thing, the dreams of our students. It's very important. I want them to know that there is a place for them to share whatever concerns they have, whatever opportunities they want to pursue. That's the office called the Office of International Services and Program. We're not just counting them as a number. We want to know every single student, and we want to ensure we know their name and where they are from and what they're going to study and how long they will be with us. And that's the journey I want to be part of throughout my time here. That's the goal in creating the most important thing the Chancellor has been guiding us, called the ultimate student experience. Small things do count into a big ocean.
Being international is kind of difficult because most of the times we don't have our family here. It's just us, staying alone, being alone. But it's not the same with HCC. HCC here, you are never alone, actually. That's the truth. Because you have, everybody's around you. The school's always by your side. So you always feel at home. You will never feel secluded. If we have problems, they're always come to me, you can talk to me, tell me. So the school has been a great support for me personally. So it's been really good.